Hello, San Diego Humane Society staff. This is a quick training to introduce you to our new volunteer database, Volunteer Impact. Today, we're quickly going to go over how you can log into the new database, how you can update your own personal profile, how you can search for one of your volunteers and even sign them up for a shift, and also how you can check your schedule to see who's coming in today. So the first thing you're going to do is just go to Google and you can search Volunteer Impact admin login. It's going to be this first one. Better Impact is the name of the bigger organization. Volunteer Impact is our portal. Just click that, and I recommend bookmarking this page. So you should have received your username and password. If you have not received that, please reach out to volinfo@sdhumane.org, and we'll go ahead and resend that to you. Once you enter your information, simply click Log In. You then will see most likely just one account. I have access to all of them, but you'll go ahead and click on the account you want if you do have multiples. If you only have one account, it'll take you straight to your home page. I'm going to go ahead and use the nursery as our example. So this is what the home page of the nursery looks like. So this is a dashboard. We'll get more training on that later. This is the current news volunteers in this account can see specifically about this volunteer work. So if you scroll up and you want to go ahead and search for a volunteer, you're just going to go ahead and click on this search bar and type in their name. You can do first name, last name, or both. So I'm looking for Kim Morris. I'm going to click that, and this is Kim's personal record. So I can see her contact information, I can see what qualifications she has, but specifically right now I want to check her schedule to see when Kim's coming in. Simply click Schedule. These are all the shifts that Kim has signed up for. So I can see the date she's coming in as well as the shift start time. If I wanted to assign Kim to a shift, so let's say she's in the office and she asks me to sign her up for something, I simply click Assign. And these are all the different activities that Kim is qualified to assist with. So if I wanted to sign her up for the Queens and Kits shift, I simply click on that activity, and if I scroll down, I can see all of the upcoming shifts. So that's a lot of them. So if I wanted to clean it up a little bit, scroll to the top and you can filter. So I know Kim wanted to come in on a Wednesday at 7 p.m. Click Filter, and now it's just showing me Wednesdays at 7. So I'm going to go to the date she wanted. Let's pretend like she wanted to come in on June 19th. I'm going to go to the right and click on this AS button. So AS stands for assigned, and that's what we want to click. And it's going to highlight both of them. That's going to sign her up and save that spot for her. And then I'll simply click Save, and now June 18th is a shift she signed up for. If I want to remove her from that, I'm going to go back to her schedule, find that June 19th, so she's actually coming in at 10. I'm going to remove her from the 7 p.m. I just signed her up for by hovering over this gray box and clicking Remove. Simple as that. Now, if I wanted to check my schedule for this afternoon to see all the volunteers that are coming in, I'm going to hover over Assign, and I'm going to look at the From Scheduled list. So once you're on this page for the scheduled list, you're going to see every activity for your account sorted by day. So this is showing Thursday, May 16th, all of the activities in the nursery for Thursday, and then Friday, and so on. So up at the top, there are ways to filter these activities and shifts. You can see by day here. You can filter by category. So let's say I wanted to just see the core level category and what feeders I have coming in. And then you can pick your date range. So if I just wanted to see what my Saturday was looking like, I'm going to pick Saturday to Saturday, so the 18th to the 18th. Then I'm going to click Filter, and now it's just Saturday, and every one of these is a feeder shift. So this dashboard shows a lot of numbers, but basically this AS column means assigned. So that's showing me I have one volunteer assigned, one volunteer assigned. So if I go over, there's actually a plus sign. So if I wanted to see who was coming in at 2, I click that and I see Holly. And I can click this to see for 11 and I see Connie. So now I know the exact volunteers I have coming in to help. Another helpful thing is to go ahead and look at this activities, manage activities. This is a great place to learn what activities you have in your account sorted by category. And again, that will help you search when you're looking at your schedules. So in the nursery, we have 3 different categories with several activities under each one. So the last thing we're asking you guys to do initially, so again, we'll send more training, but the last thing for now is to go ahead and update your personal profile. So up here, you'll see it says, "Hi, Jessie." Go ahead and click on that. It will say, "Hi," whatever your name is. And this is all your information. So you can go ahead and go in here and update all of this information. If you want to update a photo, which we really recommend all our staff have their photos uploaded, you can go ahead and do that. So we recommend a nice photo where they can see your face, and feel free to include your pet as well. And that's it for now. So to get back to the home page, you just click on Home, brings you back to the dashboard. And again, search for volunteers quick and easy in this search bar, and assign volunteers or look at your shift from this scheduled list. Thanks so much, you guys. Hope you have fun clicking around initially. And again, next week we will send more information and schedule some in-person classes as well. Thanks so much.